won't get up, won't apologize. I just only have a lazy ass heart of mold. I don't know why I'm washed though. I might be tough, but I ain't out of control. I'm just living by my sandwich. Don't ask me why. I don't need a reason. I got my way. Procrastinating. I don't stammer. Now what happens? I will never start up my stream. There is no way I will ever start for all of my life. Long as the wash inside me says go, I will always keep on cleaning. There is no way to stop me from waking up at 8 o'clock. It doesn't stammer who is clean or who is washed. Well, I won't wake up. I don't need to. Time is wasted and don't got shit to do. When do I stop? It's all so washed and so unclean. Well, I don't know, but I hate this song. This bath is not for anybody. This is purely for my health. There is no way I won't be washed till the very end. I can't tell what is washed or what is clean. I got to hit the showers, but until I do, there's no way I will ever be clean. Place all your bets on the one you think is washed. It doesn't stammer. Now what happens? I will never be washed so clean. There is no way I am ever going to start up my stream. Long as the wash inside me says go, I will always keep on streaming. There is no way to stop me from waking up at 8 o'clock. It doesn't stammer who is washed or who is clean. Yeah, oh.